Welcome to SunCloud Health's Residential Treatment Center, where compassion meets care.
At SunCloud Health, healing starts in a place that feels like home. Nestled here in Northbrook, our residential treatment center provides a peaceful, supportive environment for individuals navigating complex emotional and behavioral health challenges.
SunCloud Health was founded and is led by Dr. Kim Dennis, one of the nation's leading psychiatrists. With her leadership, our psychiatry team stands at the core of everything we do, providing expert care for complex, co-occurring conditions and guiding a truly integrated approach to recovery.
What I tell people is, we're going to work with you to build a sustainable recovery. These are chronic illnesses, relapsing and remitting courses, and what we want to help people do is to lay a foundation for a sustainable recovery and a sustainable life, so that their life isn't consumed with symptoms that brought them here or treatment itself. Life gets big when these diseases shrink.
At SunCloud Health, psychiatry is the foundation of our model. Every plan begins with expert psychiatric insight, then integrates therapy, nutrition, and family work, treating co-occurring conditions and supporting the whole person, mind, body, and spirit.
My hope is for any patient that comes here to SunCloud is to be able to live a life that is free from self-destructive impulses, behaviors, free from things that take them out of the present moment, and that sets them up to live a life unencumbered by the burden of psychiatric illness, of addiction, of eating disorder, thoughts, behaviors, all of it. Freedom is the goal.
Inside, we've created spaces that feel warm and restorative. Residents have access to comfortable lounges, open shared areas, and private rooms arranged by gender for safety and community. Treatment includes daily group and individual therapy sessions, family involvement, and round-the-clock support from our compassionate team. We offer therapies that support mind-body healing, like our art program, which residents truly enjoy as it helps them express what words cannot.
I had a patient who was really struggling with connecting her body to her emotions. And art therapy very much so allowed her to do that. She found a lot of joy and benefit from art therapy, to where we were actually able to do a little bit of like joint session with myself, the art therapist, and even connect her with an art therapist outside of here that she really benefited and connected to.
It's so cool when we see a patient who's really struggling with like talking about what they're feeling, just get in like the art room and just create the most amazing thing you've ever seen. We've seen self-portraits, collages. I have some collages still in my office that are just like incredible pieces of art. Not only do we get the opportunity to express ourselves, the patients are also getting an opportunity to discover their own gifts, which are oftentimes really incredible.
Therapies build resilience and connection, and that work continues at the table, where nutrition becomes a vital part of healing.
Balanced nutrition is fundamental to recovery. Here at SunCloud, we provide 3 meals and 3 snacks daily, all part of a structured, supportive approach to building a healthy relationship with food.
We try to rebuild mindsets around nutrition and food through one-on-one nutrition therapy sessions, individualized meal planning, meal support, and different exposures based on individualized needs.
Being part of the world again is essential to healing. That's why our programming includes local outings to places like Lake Michigan, the Botanic Garden, and other exposures. Nature and community help remind our residents what life beyond treatment can look like. What we offer is care rooted in deep clinical experience, compassion, and a belief that recovery is possible for everyone.
Our team is uniquely trained to treat co-occurring conditions using evidence-based approaches tailored to each person's needs.
Our advanced options for treating depression include Spravato and TMS. From day one, we want every person and family to feel supported, understood, and cared for.
From the moment you arrive at SunCloud Health, you'll be greeted by a warm, compassionate team who will guide you through each step of the intake process. In your first days, you'll have time to settle in, meet your care team, and become familiar with your surroundings. We'll walk you through your personalized treatment plan, introduce you to peers in the community, and make sure your immediate needs, both physical and emotional, are met. Our goal is to create a safe, supportive environment where you can begin your healing journey feeling respected, understood, and cared for.
As Dr. Kim reminds us, the heart of healing is finding freedom from illness and rediscovering life.
It's freeing people up to have more meaningful relationships with themselves that are along the lines of self-love and compassion, more meaningful relationships with other human beings, and to be able to tap into meaning and purpose in life.
SunCloud Health is here for the journey, today and every step forward. Join us on the path to lasting wellness.